A picture is worth 1,000 words, but Excel charts and graphs can tell a story of its own. In this series, we're going to explore the wonderful world of charts, graphs, and data visualization tools in Excel. A chart is a visual representation of the data in both your columns and rows and are used to display trends and patterns in a visual aid. A business owner may want to use a chart to determine the best months and sales methods for his business. A chart will provide a visual answer based on the data that it's pulling from. Excel offers a variety of charts and visual tools to meet your needs. The charts on your screen are a few of the most commonly used charts. The pie chart is a circular statistical graphic which is divided into slices to illustrate a numerical proportion. A column chart is useful when you want to make a comparison. A line chart is ideal for showing trends in your data at equal intervals such as months, quarters, or fiscal years. Other charts are bar graphs, area charts, donut charts, scatter charts, and more. We will explore each of these as we move through the series. The diagram on your screen represents the chart elements which will be covered in this series. Please take a moment to review the diagram and then jump into the first video when you are ready to proceed. We'll be working with the visual data worksheet for this series. Please be sure to download a copy. Learning to create and format charts and graphs will take your skill set to the next level. This is a great tool to add to your Excel inventory, and I am very much looking forward to sharing this information with you. And with that being said, dive into the first lesson when you're ready.